Yo, what up? It's your boy Consequence, and you are now logged on to nydailynews.com. Check it out, they got the exclusive on my new records, the new Jets anthem, Jets. Put your arms out, players. You know how we do, we get ready for the big game this weekend. Go to my blog and hit me up on my Twitter. It's the same thing as @ItsTheCons. That's ITSTHECONS. Make sure you go to iTunes, because you can download my new joint, Jets. Jets. Holla at somebody real. It's the Cons full word Bandcamp. Yo!
It's the Cons full. My city don't sleep. My city don't sleep. Put your arms out and get ready to take off. This year New York is running the playoffs. Of course, y'all know who's the best. So spell it out loud with the cons to the coins. It's the Jets. Jets. It's the Jets. Jets. You would think that I was Sanchez if you never knew me. I throw bullets and I play QB, but you'll see right after the coin toss. But once that money's in the air, your boy's lost. Cause I'm on the receiving team, receiving green, whether clean or fiend. Which means, beware of the run back, cause there's no comeback. Once I cock the shotgun, pump back my offensive shine. Plus I got some rhymes that are offensive lines coming out the dime. Hut 1, hut 2, hut 3, hut. Watch the next play, make the crowd go nuts. Cause when LT cuts, it's cash time. So get out the game if you pass prime, cause the real rap comes at halftime. So put your arms out and get ready to take off. This year New York is running the playoffs. Of course, y'all know who's the best. So spell it out loud with the cons to the points. It's the Jets. Jets. It's the Jets. We on top in the AFC East, so these fools are just a KFC feast. But we know what they say in these streets, so we out to prove that we playing for keeps. Whether we the favorite or underdogs, rain, sleet, or snow, or under fog, the Brady Bunch or Big Ben, the Packers, the Bears, we came to win. So no diss the black and yellow in the Taylor gang staff. But Coach Ryan about to get a Gatorade bath, cause by the second half, if you just do the math, there's no way you're gonna score this fast. You're down 7 points with 6 seconds to go. A 5-yard penalty on 4th and goal, and it's the 3rd interception you threw in a row. While we pull off the impossible like Broadway Joe. So why you think Braylon is back flipping, and why you think Bart Scott is back tripping? Cause ain't no time to get cozy until we bring home the Lombardi Trophy. And got it sitting in the Meadowlands. So there's only one message I'ma tell you, man. To the gang, ring and the entire fans, let's do the chant with the fireman. Put your arms out and get ready to take off. This year New York is running the playoffs. Of course, y'all know who's the best. So spell it out loud with the cons to the coins. It's the Jets. It's the Jets. Jets.